So in this mission problem, we will compute the subject grade by adding the prelim grade, midterm grade, and final grade. Then we will divide it by 3. So before we will start, we will just begin with this package for this activity 2, then module 2, ICSU 103, then our initial. Then we will add this code import java.util.scanner. Then after that, we will proceed for declaration of the variables. We will declare the double prelims, double midterms, double finals, and double subject grade. So after that one, we will now get the or declare another variable by the constant variable for periodic rates and declare and initialize. So we will just put final double, then double prelim rate is equal to 0.30, double midterm rate is equal to 0.30, and double final rate is equal to 0.40. So the usage of this code is for this one. The scanner input is equal to new scanner system.in. So for our second procedure, this would be the reading the input variables from the user. So we will just put the system.out.print. Then you will just put this enter your prelim grade. Then to be able to the user to input a grade, we will just use this or input double prelims is equal to input that next double. Then open and close parentheses. Then it's just the same procedure for the midterm grade and final grade. Then for the third part, we will now compute for the subject grade. So for our solution, we will use the double subject grade is equal to double prelims multiplied by double prelim rate, which is the 0.30, then added by double double midterms multiplied by double midterm rate, which is 0.30 again, then added by double finals multiplied by double final rate, which is 0.40. Then for our last part or for the fourth part, this is the displaying the result of the process or computation. We will just put a spacer here, system.out.print, then open and close parentheses, and inside of it is a double quotation mark. Then the next or the last is the system.out.print. Then the subject grade is plus double subject grade, then plus that. So if we will run it, this would be the output. So let's say our prelim grade is 97, then our prelim grade is 87, then our final grade is 96. So our subject grade is 93.6.